Hey, welcome! I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on Quotex. If you want to find out the result I got using just a couple of dollars, watch this video till the end. You'll find out everything I used, all the indicators and oscillators and strategy. We're starting right now. I'm Oliver. Let's go. Right guys, I'm starting with a couple of dollars and we'll see where we can get with that small amount. So let's go. And let's start, guys. Let's see. Okay, let's go with the put option here. I am looking at the maximums, and I think we are going to go into the pullback at least. But also we see that it might be, kind of the top, and it's basically bouncing off it like a ceiling, and as long as we are profiting, even if it's a pullback, it's good for us. And on this time frame, wow, 30 seconds is really fast, and on this time frame, as I said, pullbacks is our friend. Yeah, let's move on. 30 seconds and $2. Next one is going to be $3. Let's change the currency. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Helps the channel, so I've told, and I'm sure you know that already. Don't forget about it. $3. Let's go for the stock as a McDonald's, and we'll go and trade on this. Just kind of entered into a flat. It's still, the price is still dropping, so maybe we'll just go through it maybe with the trend basically. Yeah, $3, 30 seconds it is. There was, if you look at it like inside this flat, then there was a pullback which was going up, so now it will continue to go back down. This is pretty dynamic because of this time frame, 30 seconds only. So I think it's about to finish. It's very fast, so there we go, the next profit, and we'll move on for the next currency. $6 we have to spare towards the next one, as we want to create a snowball effect. 5, 6, move on to the next currency. Right, what do we have here? We're gonna go ahead with the trend basically. Again, this is a pullback. We're entering at the bottom of the pullback, which is really good place to enter with this small time frame, as we are likely to go back up at this point. Right, the profit from this, not a huge yet, but we'll keep pushing and create some nice effect of exponential growth. Let's go with the $11 next. 11, and the next currency. This one here. Alright, this again, I think we're still going into this pullback a bit more, so 30 seconds should be good for us to go back down. If we look at the pattern, if we look at the rhythm, I think it's still going to lower a bit more before it goes back up. I think it will go back up. Here it is, really dynamic. I actually like it on these small amounts. It's because it's faster than 1 minute and a bit more dynamic. Right, let's go ahead and place the next one. It's $21, and we are ready for the next one. By the way, guys, if you want to find out more about trading, learn trading, indicators, oscillators, signals, if you're looking for those, I'll leave a link to a Telegram group where you can join, and you have all that. So check that out in the description to this video. Let's move on. This looks like it could be growing at this point, but there is a resistance to meet, so I think it will go into the pullback and then go back up, growing. Let's see if that's correct or not. There it is, guys. $39 towards the next option. I'm gonna create that snowball effect. As you can see, it's going back up. It didn't even go into the pullback much. It went down, but then it went back up. So yeah, our next step is going to be on this currency. This looks like a nice upper trend, and I'm gonna go with it. I think everything MACD is showing us the price is going up, and I think that's yeah, everything's pointing up. Let's go with it. Actually, I may change the time frame to 1 minute now. Hopefully we don't catch a pullback accidentally with this time frame. It's possible, because look at the line, this percentage probability on the left. It's crazy. And we're lucky enough it didn't happen, but look, this is happening exactly now. So maybe actually we were correct with 30 seconds. Maybe 1 minute would be worse at this point. But yeah, I think I'm considering to change at this point. Right, we have $75 to place towards the next option, and let's place that in and continue. 75. Right, this is looking like it's falling at the moment. Right, so there is globally there is an upper trend. It's not so strong anymore, but it's still going on. There was a resistance there that's trying to break now, but this would be a pullback, and yeah, exactly, we're starting to grow back up. It might not anymore break this resistance. It's entering into kind of a flat, fading out market, and it will fall in the end. But at meantime, we are making profit. $140 towards our next option is we're going to put that, almost doubling. As you can see, 87%, 91%, really good payouts. Right, let's go with the McDonald's one. How's that doing? How's the fast food chain doing? See that. I think I'd go with a call option here. This looks like a pullback, and we're gonna start to grow back again. MACD is looking up, so let's go, yeah, with the call option. And $140. Let's wait for the result and continue. There we go, guys. 254.55 is what we're gonna place towards the next option. Awesome results already. As you can see, we are making an exponential growth by using the entire profits. I'm sure you're familiar with this term, the compound percentage. The biggest whales, let's say, of investing world, biggest investors use this compound percent in their trading. I'm not talking about binary options, of course, but it's just the term that applies when you reinvest. Actually, I just made this. put option here, because we're at the maximums and it's entered into a flat. Let's just place that. I'm pretty sure I am going to be correct here. This flat looks like it's losing power. As I was saying, the reinvesting what you earn. So for example, you earn dividends, you reinvest those into more stock. Obviously, better to be profitable, better to be good stock growing funds, and basically it creates this exponential growth. So you get in the end of the day, you get invested quite a bit of money, and the dividends are quite big. The payment, the percentage that they pay from the amount you invested is going to be quite big. Right, so we are ready to invest. Let's have this one. It looks like it's started growing, but let's go with the call option here. Let's go with the call option. I think because it has some support there, it might still go back up. But yeah, let's see. Oh, that was close. That was close, I must say. Because in a normal situation, although we have a pin bar there, look, it should be good moving up. I think the trend is affecting it as well. MACD is looking down. We're gonna keep this time. We're gonna go with a trend, with the trend for 485. But we just got really we go with it. So basically, we've kind of went for the. That's tricky. Oh, that's really tricky. I think we're gonna lose it. This is pretty volatile. I mean, maybe I should change the timing. Oh, it worked out. Oh my god, it worked out. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. So it's because it's so volatile, it's really hard to say where it's going. But generally, like globally, there is a downtrend, of course. Well, like that globally, it just started, but what happens is on small time frames, even if it's a minute, sometimes you can only tell when it's gonna go up or down, and it just does what it wants sometimes because it's really small time frame. On the longer time frames, you will not have that volatile behavior, but on a small time frame, it's more dynamic. On the other hand, it's faster. It's less boring. Right, so 900 guys I have placed towards this call option, and we are seeing growth. We are seeing that there was a pullback, and we enter at the bottom of the pullback, hopefully to see the growth. Zigzag and MACD are both showing the growth, so this is where we're heading. Let's wait for the result and continue. Right, we're entered into the 4 figures, guys. This is, as you can see, how that exponential growth is working. It is absolutely crazy. Let's move on. Let's push this snowball a little bit more and just see the true beauty of it. Right, it is 1000. Let's do that. We could go with 800 each and make a multiple option, but just in case we need to retake, I'll leave those 700 there. Let's go with the put option here. It looks like it's going down. MACD is also showing us that it's crossing down the slower line, and Zigzag had just came around to also draw us this indication that the price is going down. So let's hope it doesn't just start jumping around. Oh, crazy, crazy, crazy. Nice. Right, guys, we have 2,000 now to place to 600. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna place the 2, but we're gonna keep the 600 in case. What if we're gonna we're not gonna lose all. Let's go with the next option to this one. Looks like it's going up at this point. It's bouncing off some supports and collecting some strength to go up. So let's see if that works out. There's also resistance there, kind of in a channel, but looks like it's going to grow. Again, 30 seconds. It's so volatile. Look at it. We're so close to just really not getting anywhere. It is just absolutely crazy. Oh my god, we did, guys. We did just get it. We're gonna stop here. This was an amazing run, very volatile, very dynamic. I hope you enjoyed this, because I did. I'll see you all next time. All the best. Good luck.